I'll show you the most reliable ways to get Grand Theft Auto San Andreas on your PC, including how to check if you're eligible to claim the classic version for free. If you're ready, hit that like button. Let's get into the fix. If you search for the original version of GTA San Andreas on Steam or the Rockstar Store today, it's often missing or hidden behind this definitive edition a paywall. But we'll see how to get it for free. The first and most official way is through the Rockstar Games launcher. Go to rockstargames.com and download their official PC launcher. Once installed, log into your social club account. Rockstar frequently runs promotions where they give away the classic versions of the trilogy for free to players who already own other titles like GTA 5 or the Definitive Edition. Check your library tab. If a promotion is active for your account, you'll see the original San Andreas ready for download without paying an extra cent. If you aren't eligible for a free loyalty copy, the standard way to get it is through Steam. Open Steam and search for Grand Theft Auto, the trilogy, the Definitive Edition. While this is a paid version, it is the only one officially supported for Windows 11 with modern graphics and cloud saves. If you absolutely want the original 2004 graphics, many users look toward the abandonware archives. While these are common in the community for delisted games, always be careful with third-party sites. Most free download links are just traps for malware. Once you have the game installed, you might notice it feels a bit buggy on a modern PC. I highly recommend downloading a free community tool called a Silent Patch. It fixes the widescreen resolution and high frame rate glitches that usually break the game's physics. Just drop the files into your game folder, and you'll have a smooth, stable experience on modern hardware. Check the Rockstar launcher first for those legacy rewards, and if all else fails, Steam is your safest bet for a working version. If you managed to get the classic version or you went with the remaster, let me know in the comments below. Click this card for a curation of our best game video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.